guys, so it looks like I'm naked, but I'm not, honestly. So this video is yet another haul, and it is again for I Saw It First. I'm absolutely in love with that store. Again, I think I'm sending a few things back. 2 things don't fit, and the other 2 things I just wasn't that keen on. Well, one of them just fit really weirdly on me. But everything else I'm keeping, and I spent quite a bit, honestly. So, let's get into the video. So the first thing is this like boob tube top. It was only £3 and I really like it. They also have it in black and cream. And I wanted to get the black as well, but it wasn't in my size, and this is like sitting really weirdly on me. It's like cutting me off a little funny because it's fallen down a bit. But yeah, I really like this. It's very cropped, as you can see. It like ends on my waist. But I just think stuff like this is like a really good staple piece. So the next thing is this gorgeous grey blouse with pink flowers on. I'm going to just kind of hold this differently. It's got one long sleeve with, what do you call it, like a bell sleeve. And it's got this frill here that goes like all the way around. Yeah, I absolutely love this. You'll have seen this and the little red boob tube in my How I Style video, and that is because I got these and I thought, you know what, these would look really good with those pleather leggings, so I just kind of tacked them on the end. So I've just finished filming that. So yeah, this will be up a little while after that. But yeah, I thought this was dead nice. It's a nice little blouse type thing. And what I like is that it's cropped and it's flowy, and I just think, I mean, it's got a bit crease here because of us, obviously it literally came today. But yeah, I really like it, and I just think I quite like off the shoulder thing because you've still got a bit of clavicle or whatever, décolletage, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I just think this top is super pretty. I love this sleeve, like I absolutely love it. I love a bell sleeve, or a flute sleeve, whatever you want to call it. I absolutely love it. So, okay, so next we have this very long top, which has a huge slit, and that ends like just where like my bra kind of ends. I really like this. I thought it was kind of unusual because, and I thought it'd be, I mean, I know it's winter and summer is literally 6 months or more away. But yeah, 6 months away. I just thought this would be really nice for summer because it's like airy, you know, you can get air to your skin when it's hot. But I just thought it was really nice. I quite like long tops, but because it's got that cutout, it's not like frumpy. You know, it's like party. Well, no, it's like casual at the front, party at the sides. So yeah, and to go with this top, I bought these jeans, which you kind of had sneak peeks off the other two. These are very ripped jeans. I haven't got light blue jeans, and I wanted lighter blue than this kind of colour. This is like your normal denim colour. But I just love the rips in these, and they were £14, half price, and I'm quite tempted to get the black as well. And what I really love about these, I had initially ordered these in a size 10. Basically, I had an order come through yesterday, and I bought these in a size 10, and they fit, but they were a bit baggy and kind of like, you know, here was too baggy. Like right now that's fine, but they was a bit too baggy. They were very comfortable on the waist, but very big. So I thought, I wonder what these would be like in a size 8, and that's when I bought them 2 of the tops and a black dress and another dress which didn't fit, but we'll get to that. So these are actually the first size 8 jeans that have fit me in about a year or two. I've always been wearing size 10s, and I mean, as of my Topshop jeans, they're actually technically a size 12. So I am like very happy with these jeans. They do my self-esteem wonders, and I haven't had like proper like shredded jeans like these ever, so I am tempted to get them in the black. I'm not gonna lie, I might have to for $14.99. I mean, my Topshop jeans were like 40, so I might have to Okay, so next we have this lovely cropped cream jumper. It's got a really nice sleeve length, and it's just kind of like a really simple cream jumper, but I love it. It's exactly what I wanted. I do have one cream jumper which I got from the Selfridge. I might tack that on the end of this because it's gorgeous. But it's got holes in it, so it's not the warmest, and the sleeves are baggy at the end. So this is just an ice cream jumper that will go with so many things, and it's just really practical, and it means I can wear something coloured with it because all my other jumpers are coloured jumpers. So I wanted something a bit more versatile, a bit more wearable, and I absolutely love this. And it's not itchy, and it's cozy. Okay, so next we have this dress, which was £6. £6. It was 50% off. Literally everything on the website was. But it is just like a really thick material, and I think it makes my hips look really nice. It gives me a really nice figure because I bought this in a 10, so I wouldn't kind of like highlight this area, because a lot of the time if I bought it in an 8, one, it would be shorter because as you can see it's already pretty short. I mean, my bum ends like there, so it's pretty short. And it would have been short if I bought an 8, but it also would have been tighter, and that would have just looked a bit weird here. So I'm glad I got it in a 10. But I absolutely love this. I just thought it was a really cute dress, and I thought, why not? You know, it could be casual, you could dress it up. There's a lot you could do with this, and I love it. And the fact that it's a really thick material and it's not going to show your underwear through is amazing. Like, you could probably, if there was a white one, you could buy a white one and wear black underwear, and that is like, just shows how thick the material is. It's lovely. But it's not like that scuba material either. So yeah, I absolutely love this, and for £6, how could you not? I also got this Grandad cardigan because I have no plain black cardies, and it just like, I have no plain cardigans that are long besides a grey one, but it's not very thick, and it's got like, you can't really tell, but the buttons are like a really dark brown, and it's got pockets, and I love the length, especially like on the sleeves as well. And I mean, in a way it's a tiny bit itchy, but I'm always itchy, so it might just be that a little bit. But yeah, I really like this because, again, just goes with so much, and it's such a staple to have just like a plain long cardigan with pockets. And as I loved that red dress so much, I of course went back and bought it in black because why not? I just thought, again, even more versatile than the red one. They also had it in blue, but I don't need all 3 colours. If they had a white one, I probably would have got the white. Yeah, I said everything about the red one. I just love this, and the black was just a necessity at this point. So next I got this lovely black jumpsuit. It looks like a dress, but like it's a jumpsuit. That's sexy. It's rather short. Again, bum ends pretty much where it ends, but who cares? I have long legs. It's not my fault. So it is this wrap over style, and what I like about it is the fact, obviously I haven't got a chest, as you can see. There is a lack of cleavage in this area, and it's not a high neck. But what I like is a lot of V-necks kind of sit like really, like just like that on me, pretty much. So I like the fact that it actually is more enclosed, so it doesn't show off my bra, and I don't have to worry about my bra showing. I mean, I don't really care if my bra shows, but I just mean, well, you know what I mean. It's nice that it actually sits somewhere good for us smaller chested people who still want to wear a bra with these kind of things. And what I love is the fact that it is so casual, but there is definitely the opportunity to dress it up if you want to. And I've been looking for a place like this for so long, you don't even know. Okay, so this last dress sadly does not fit me. I bought a size 8, taking a leap of faith, and the material is different to what I expected it to be, and the shape is different to what I expected it to be. Basically, apparently the size 8 model is a size 6 looking in this, but I think I'm gonna order the size 10 tonight, but I'm gonna try and make it so it looks like it fits a bit better. Yeah, as you can see, this is just barely hanging on. Like, my vagina is nearly out. My arse is also nearly out, but it does look really good in this dress. Like, my butt looks great, so I think I will have to buy this in the 10. If I pull it down so it's a bit of more respectable length, then these buttons, as you can see, it's just straining. And that's not because of Podge, that's just because of this bit here. So, oh well, I really like this though. Despite how short it is, I just think I need the size 10. I knew I should have gone for the size 10, but my worry was if it was too big, it wouldn't cinch in here and it would make me look a bit frumpy. So I took a leap of faith that it was slightly more oversized and got the 8. And I was wrong. They also have this in black, and I didn't know whether to get in the black or the blue. You might be able to tell, but this is blue and grey and white. So, yeah. Oh well. This is the Miss Selfridge jumper I was talking about earlier. As you can see what I mean, it's got a very big sleeve, but I love it. So it's off the shoulder, but you could wear it kind of like on your shoulder still, kind of, you know. It works as like a proper jumper and off the shoulder. It was obviously photographed as off the shoulder, but if it goes up your shoulders, it doesn't look weird. Yeah, you can see my black bra through this. Like, it's holy, you know. It is a Jesus Christ jumper. It's holy. So yeah, but I absolutely love it, and this is literally the softest material ever. Okay, so that is it for this video. This spot has now decided to pop out and say hello and just decide makeup is not going to cover it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I absolutely love I Saw It First, and I will be shopping there all the time now. So if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because that would mean the world to me. And I'll see you next time. Bye!